Hello everybody, I'm Erika from Harmon, Puebla Juárez, and today's tutorial is about the order of adjectives, okay? So you could say, she wants a dress. Pretty simple, right? But we are missing some adjectives in that one, so let's take a look. There's 8 that you can include to really change that sentence. So the first part you can add is quantity. Second is quality and opinion. Third is size. Fourth, shape. 5, age. 6 is color. 7 is the nationality. And last but not least is the material, what it's made of. Okay? So let's change this sentence. She wants a dress. Pretty general. Let's try it again. She wants a beautiful, long, short-sleeved, fashionable, black, floral, Oaxacan cotton dress. Okay? So, what do you guys have to say? Give it a try in comments below. Thanks!